Are we soon shifting on Mars? Elon Musk wants to build a new life at Mars by 2050, where 1 million humans will live. His plan was taken as a joke until NASA joined Musk's company SpaceX mission for Mars colonization. SpaceX has done successful rocket missions. SpaceX rockets have capability to reach to the space using minimum amount of fuel. Mars is at a distance of 62 million kilometers from the Earth. To reach to the Mars, a special Starship is being made which will be operated on batteries used by Tesla. The question which arises here is that humans will be able to reach to the Mars, but how will be the colony formed on Mars? How things will be made for humans' survival? Why Elon Musk and NASA want to leave Earth? Mars has no shelter, food and water there, then why they want us to leave Earth? And how will it be possible to form a colony there? The answer is all the researches which have been conducted on Earth. Unfortunately, results negative. Since we have started using fossil fuels like gas and petrol, Earth's temperature has been rising up non-stop. At some point, this temperature will be unbearable. The rising up of temperature also results in the melting of glaciers, which cause cyclones, floods, and tsunami. The ozone layer, which protects Earth from sun's radiations, also being damaged. The Earth is now exposed to sun's radiations directly. All these factors will make life on Earth impossible. This is why humans are planning to shift to other planet. Here another question arises, that why Mars? There are other planets too. Earth has neighbor planets Venus and Mars. We couldn't choose Venus because the conditions on Venus is same as Earth. Mars have the coldest weather, and there is no oxygen and water which a human being needs for just survival. By the year 2026, a small group of people will be sent to Mars, but before sending them, Mars needs to have a protective shelter there. These shelters will be made by artificial intelligence robots. These robots will be able to work more than humans. This can be monitored from Earth. After the formation of these shelters, a small group of people will be sent to Mars, and they will live in pressurized units because of no atmospheric pressure on Mars. Greenhouse will also be built on Mars for vegetation purpose. The plants in greenhouse will produce oxygen, but this oxygen won't be enough for human survival. The oxygen building setup will soon be made. The frozen water beneath Mars land will be melted. According to scientists, the temperature on Mars has to be increased in order to make humans' survival possible on Mars. One suggestion is to make a factory on Mars for the production of fumes with the help of robots. Elon suggests to use nuclear weapons. His idea is to fire 10,000 missiles on Mars to melt ice and increase the overall temperature. By the year 2050, 1 million people will live in pressurized cabins. Their plan is to make Mars just like Earth after hundreds of years.